back, everyone, to another video where we're talking about using the pocket option platform. Also, if you are new to the channel, first time seeing all of this stuff that I've been talking about for weeks, take the time to look at the videos and see what we've been talking about. You can get the ebook if you want as a supplement, whatever. The fact of the matter is, try to bring yourself up to speed so you understand the concepts that I've been sharing when it comes to the strategies and also the tips. Okay, today I will touch on some tips, and then I will also answer some questions that many of you have had. First off, simplicity. When you start on this platform using this broker, all of these candles, the indicators, it's very intimidating. And one of the things that I try to strive on this channel is I try to make it as easy as possible. I am not discounting technical analysis because it can help you get gains in your trading sessions. So my suggestion is when you start out, again, try not to put like 5 to 6 indicators on there because you will get lost. You'll get lost. Keep it simple. You can pick whatever time frame that you want. For beginners starting out, the 5-second strategy is a bit difficult if you're new to the platform because it's fast. It goes fast and you got to be able to, train your eyes as to what's going on. So just again, try to keep it as simple as possible. Let's talk about the 1 trade a day. Okay, I've touched on this before. If you're struggling with your trades, or if you find yourself making them back to back to back to back, and you are being successful, just make sure that you know when is a good stopping point. That's all I'm saying. And if you want to pull back and say, you know what, I'm going to stick to 1 trade a day, I know my setups, and I have my budget, or I have my goal that I want to reach for the month, then do the 1 trade. That's why I created this ebook. It's very clear on what you can achieve within a month by doing just 1 trade. And I'm just saying that for anyone who starts with the platform or the broker and feels that they need to be doing 5 to 10 trades a day. I did the same thing when I first started, and then you quickly learn that, well, let me get a little organized here and try to have a realistic goal and set my budget so I don't blow out my account and then I have to either start all over or I just get mad and don't want to do anything else again. So consider doing just the 1 trade a day. It's perfect. Okay, today's strategy, we're going to be talking about using some different candles, and those are going to be the Heikin Ashi candles. You may have seen these type of candles before, wondering what in the world is going on here. Traders use the Heikin Ashi candles to help them identify trends. And often, if you're doing the Meta 4, Meta 5 type of trading, it helps them identify when they should stay in the trades or when they need to get out. But it is a technique that helps you spot the market trend and also predict the future prices. So it's very, very useful. The goal here, what we're going to be looking for, as you can see here, look at the top of the candles when it's trending down. You're going to see a lot of flat bottoms on the top. You're also going to see flat bottoms when the trend is going up. For this example, we're going to do 2 minutes. It's also wise too to put a stochastic on there. This just gives you an additional support when it comes to identifying that trend and moving along with these type of candles so you can make that perfect entry and possibly win the trade. Let's see how these candles play out.
day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever. Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter? Or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better, I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. I will
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.